In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite an attendee to a meeting using your Outlook calendar. This is a great feature to use when you're scheduling a meeting with somebody and you want to actually send them an invitation so they can accept the calendar invite. So here we are in Outlook, and we're going to go down to the calendar section. You'll notice there's different sections here. This is your email section, your calendar, and your contacts, tasks. So we're going to come over to calendar. And this shows your calendar. We're going to come up here and we're going to say new meeting. So a new appointment, if we just do this, is just going to actually put something on the calendar such as a doctor's appointment. So if I wanted to do that, I'm going to say doctor appointment, or you could say lunch with Joe or whatever the case may be, and we'll say it's tomorrow morning, 8:30 to 9:30. I'm going to say save and close. And now that's just an appointment that we have on there. But we actually want to do a meeting and invite somebody here. So we're going to come up here to say new meeting. So it looks a little bit different. So now we've actually got some send. This is actually like creating an email here. So title is going to be coffee meeting. Or actually, let's do this. Sales meeting. That's more appropriate. Sales meeting. Okay. This says required. This is actually who you're going to invite here. So this is, it's going to show anybody recent. I had emailed this. That's actually not an valid email address, so that might bounce back. So I'm going to actually just type in mine here, and there's a suggestion there. And we're going to say, let's put it to Friday at 8 to 8:30. And here, even in a location, you can actually put, like, let's say we're going to meet at Starbucks. This will actually bring up nearby Starbucks and actually put a map link in there, which is really cool because now the person can just click there. If they're on their mobile phone, they can click it. It's going to give them directions. And then here you can type in any message you want. Having our sales meeting. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead. As you can see, it hasn't been set yet. And we're going to click send. So now it's on the calendar. If we open it up, so it's got the meeting location, the title, and everything. And it says no responses have been received. So now I'm going to go ahead and accept that invite. If I close this down in any second, and open it back up, since I've accepted it. Oh, we got an email, so that must be confirmation that it was accepted. And now if we look at this, there we go, one attendee response and accepted. So you can also, if you needed to, you can invite additional attendees. You can forward it to somebody. If we click in here, you can just put in a comma and put in another at email.com, and it would send an update. If you change the time, it's going to ask you if you want to send an update to somebody. So let's just do that. Let's say we're going to change it to 9 a.m. And we're going to say send update. Now it's going to let that person know that the time has changed, and I will update on their calendar as well. There's also some other cool things here. You can have reminders, so 15 minutes, show you as busy or free or out of the office. It can actually recur, so maybe this is a sales meeting that's going to happen every Friday, so we can say weekly on Friday. You can give it an end date or no end date, and so that'll let that person also confirm in there. There's a lot of other cool things you can do, but these are some of the basics that you can do for inviting people and scheduling in your Outlook calendar. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this down. Don't save changes. And there it's closed. And let's just show one last thing, because I thought someone might need to do this. If you need to cancel the meeting, you want to open it up and just hit cancel meeting and send the cancellation, and that will let that person know. They're going to get an email. It's off my calendar. They're going to get an email, and it's going to take it off their calendar as well. So that concludes this video with how to use Outlook to schedule a meeting and invite attendees to that meeting. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and training videos.